Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a guide to vacation rental management on HostAway for beginners. HostAway is a vacation rental management software that simplifies managing properties across multiple platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, VRBO, and Expedia. It provides tools for channel management, automation, reporting, and more, helping hosts save time and increase bookings. Some of its key features are channel management to sync listings, calendars, and rates across platforms, automation to automate messaging, guest reviews, and task management, reservation management to centralize booking data and reduce double bookings. Reporting and analytics to track revenue, occupancy, and booking performance. Guest communication to streamline communication tools for inquiries and updates. Team management to assign tasks to cleaners or maintenance staff. Now, on getting started, you must set up your account. Go to hostaway.com and sign up for a free trial or plan. Add your business name, contact information, and time zone. Connect channels. Navigate to the Channel Manager section, link your Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, or other platforms. Sync listings, calendars, and rates to ensure consistency across platforms. Now, to add properties, go to Properties, add new property, input details like property name, description, location, amenities, and photos. Also, set pricing, rules, and availability. On automate tasks. Use Automation Hub to set up for rules. Automated guest messages, review requests for guests, notifications for cleaning or maintenance staff after checkout. On manage reservations, access the calendar to view and manage bookings. Use the inbox for centralized communication with guests across all platforms. Block dates for personal use or maintenance tasks. Now to handle payments, enable payment processing for direct bookings. Integrate with Stripe or PayPal for secure transactions. Set up cancellation and refund policies. Now, assign team tasks. Add team member in the team management module. Assign roles and define permissions. And schedule cleaning or maintenance tasks based on booking schedule. Lastly is to monitor performance. Use the report section to track metrics such as occupancy rates, revenue by property or platform, and booking sources and trends. And that's basically it.